Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, remove laces and insoles and knock out grit so the cleaning targets fabric, not trapped dirt. Once done, dry brush the mesh with a soft brush to lift particles. Next, mix the cleaning paste, 1 tablespoon mild detergent, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 2 tablespoons hydrogen peroxide, enough to form a spreadable paste. You want a balance. Detergent lifts oils, baking soda abrasively brightens, hydrogen peroxide whitens without harsh bleach. Apply immediately. You now clean in detail. Use a soft toothbrush and work the paste into the mesh using small circular motions. This lets the mix penetrate fibers without tearing them. Make sure to target stain zones 3 to 5 minutes each, then rinse with a gentle stream of cool water to flush residue. If stains persist, repeat the paste and let it sit 5 to 10 minutes before rebrushing. Make sure not to soak the shoe board excessively. Controlled rinsing preserves shape. Finish by patting shoes with a clean towel to remove excess moisture and stuffing them with paper or shoe trees to hold shape, then air dry in shade to prevent heat damage. Clean laces and insoles separately in the same solution and fully dry before reinserting. If you still see yellowing, repeat the paste treatment on affected spots or do a short hydrogen peroxide soak for 10 minutes, then rinse. If fabric frays, stop and consult a repair pro. Overworking damages the mesh.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.